The regulars at Ike's Famous Plate Lunches are regulars for a reason.
Food's just like it says on the sign. It's it's home style cooking. You know what I mean? It's just delicious, man.
And if you like the home Southern cooking, this is the place to come.
Ike's is open weekdays and can fill up fast come lunchtime.
Okay, mashed potatoes and gravy.
And the service is just as quick. Your order is sometimes ready before you've picked out a table.
We get them 2, 3, 4 times a week, but you spoil them. People forgot how to spoil people, and that's what we like doing. We like cooking and we like spoiling people.
Owner Dwight Beard, known to his family as Ike, has been in the restaurant business for 30 years. He started out working for his mom. In fact, a lot of Ike's recipes are from her.
Then I put my little touch on it.
I've had the chicken and slicks. I've had their roast beef sandwich, and the three-way is really good as well.
I really like the meatloaf. The ribs are great. And the chicken and slicks, the chicken and dumplings. Man, I love that stuff. It's really good. On a cold day especially, it's really, really good.
I guess one of the favorites probably is the chicken and slicks, which is a homemade dumpling, and I roll them out every morning.
Those are all you can eat when you dine in.
And on a cold day, if you order some, I put extra in on to-goes.
The chicken slicks, along with everything else, is made from scratch. Ike stays late and is up early.
Yeah, and then I'll get in at 6 or 7 in the morning. But, the gravy we make every day with the roux, real mashed potatoes.
There's a special chili with a kick that's made up every morning, too. Great on a three-way or coney.
I make my chili in small batches, instead, people do big batches. I do small batches, and I do it every day.
Ike seems like a place that's been around for decades, but they've only been open since November of 2019.
Environment's wonderful. It's really chill. Atmosphere is really, really nice. It's kind of old and rustic, and I like that.
I want them to have a good atmosphere, great food, and enjoy the food, enjoy the company.
Aside from the menu, you'll find daily specials.
Every day, and most of the time we have 2 specials.
2 of them always sell out, the fettuccine and the meatloaf.
The fettuccine's once a week, and the meatloaf's twice a week.
Be sure to save room for the homemade banana pudding or no-bake cheesecake, or get it to go.
It's a great menu, and everything I've had so far has been great.
It's really good. I don't think I've eaten anything here that I didn't like.
At Ike's Famous Plate Lunches in downtown Tulsa, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.